All right, today we're gonna bring a little dinosaur toy. Now this is a rolling toy, like a walking toy pretty much. It rolls on the front and it walks on its hind legs. It comes with a remote control. It comes with actually Phillips, so you can open it up and connect the battery. The battery is rechargeable. They give you a USB, but not the batteries for remote. You actually need a AAA batteries for a remote. So we're gonna put this together. It has light effects and we're gonna test it out. So make sure you plug this in, and when you need to charge it, this is what you charge it with the USB, all right? Just be aware. Parent supervision is required. All right, this is AA batteries, all right? Not AAA, AA for the control.
Be careful. You want to try some of that?